Deputy Director of the Ghana Health Service is in charge of public health in the region, Dr. Senanu Jokoto, told JoyNews relatives and individuals identified to have been in contact with infected persons would be under mandatory quarantine supervised by health officials. He was speaking to JoyNews' Volta Region correspondent, Fred Kwame Asare in Ho.
So we have two main categories of cases that we are looking at. Those who were under mandatory quarantine in the Volta region. Some people tried to breach our borders when it was closed. They were apprehended and the samples were sent into mandatory quarantine. After 14 days, we took their samples. So far, we have taken 56 of those samples, and 6 of them have proved positive. The other 50 were negative. We have 50 more in isolation, and we've taken their samples. Those ones are pending. Now, from the routine surveillance, that's the people we see in our hospitals who present like it could be COVID-19. We have a case criteria, which we call the case definition. If they fit in, then we take their samples and send it to Noguchi. So far, we have taken 49 of those samples, and 3 have come out positive. So I've earlier mentioned 6 positive, that is in Ketu South or Aplau to be more specific. And the 3 other cases, one is there's a middle-aged man who resides in Ho, went to Accra about 12 days ago, came back, and then about 10 or 12 days after he came back, he started exhibiting signs and symptoms that were similar to that of COVID-19. So he was suspected, kept in isolation. His samples were taken to Noguchi and it came out positive. And we have 2 in Hohoi at present. The Hohoi one is a pregnant woman who came from Accra, Greater Accra region, to come and deliver here in the Volta region, specifically Hohoi. So after delivery, it was noticed that she was coughing, having fever, and running nose. When the samples were taken, was also positive. And another was a young man who had also come from Accra. And when he started having symptoms, he contacted the health facility. Samples were taken and sent to Accra, and that also came out positive. So far, they are all doing very well, and they are all in isolation.